much you love them with Bob Martin.
We put a lot of thought into the health of our pets, like quality food, regular checkups, and lots of exercise. But what about their teeth? The truth is that an estimated 70% of all pets over the age of 3 years suffer from some form of periodontal disease. Now, if left untreated, oral disease can cause pain, infection, and also affect the behavior of our furry friends. Come, Bella.
A good home care program along with a yearly checkup is the best prevention against dental problems. We joined Bella on her annual visit to Dr. Megan Kelly.
Megan, why is proper dental care so important for our pets?
Basically, bacteria in the mouth will form a substance on the surface of the teeth called plaque. And this substance is easily removed by brushing. If the plaque stays there for a long period of time, minerals in the saliva will combine with that plaque and they form a harder substance called tartar. Eventually it actually goes underneath the gum line and it starts to interfere with the supporting structures of the tooth and will eventually end up with tooth loss. The bacteria that also accumulate underneath that gum, they can spread to the rest of the body and they can poison the rest of the body, so they spread in the bloodstream. So it's really important that we look at prevention, because if we stop that plaque from forming, we'll stop this whole cascade of events and not have all these dangers to the rest of the organs in the body.
So for any of our pet owners watching at home, what are the telltale signs that our pets need a dentist?
Usually when there's pain. So the first sign, they might not really be wanting to eat their food. Sometimes you might have some face swellings, if there's some root abscesses, and you might notice that there's some loose teeth or maybe some cracked teeth.
Now when it comes to pet food and treats, how does this affect their dental health?
The actual chewing action can actually prevent plaque formation. So any food or treat that entails more chewing will help. So things like rawhide chews, you can give them, and there are also specific dental treats that have anti-plaque formation products in them. Those can help. When we're looking at foods, the moist or sort of canned food, they tend to stick and adhere to the teeth, which forms a scaffolding for bacteria and therefore plaque to form. And in comparison to the more dry or pelleted foods, which have an abrasive action as they actually bite onto the pellet. There are also some specific dental foods that are on the market where they're actually hard in the center and soft on the outside. And as the dog bites on it, it sort of screeches past and scrapes the teeth, and then it'll crack right at the end. So it actually helps to clean the teeth.
And finally, Megan, what are a few ways that we can help to keep our pets' teeth clean at home?
Yeah, for pet owners, I think the most important thing is brushing to prevent that plaque from forming and therefore preventing tartar and it going under the gum lining. So there are different ways that you can brush. The most ideal is with a pet toothbrush and then using a pet toothpaste. Our pet toothpastes they're not peppermint flavored, they're like mold flavored, and they also don't foam. If the dog doesn't tolerate this, so not all dogs are happy to allow you to brush their teeth, you can also use something like a pet gel, and you actually just squeeze that into the side of the mouth, and then you use the cheeks actually to rub and to spread it around, and it just helps to prevent plaque formation.
So in short, have a look at your pet's teeth and gums at least once a week. Opt for dry food and special dental health promoting snacks. And do book a regular checkup.
Just like grooming and daily walks outside, dental care is something that your pet will need to come to expect every single day. But this won't happen overnight. Of course, they might take a little bit of time getting used to someone poking around in their mouths. But the slow approach with a little bit of love and treats will go a long way to winning your pet's heart. Right, Bella? High five. Yay!
Show them how much you love them with Bob Martin.